We're here in Phoenix at Truck Access Plus with one of the most popular styles of bed covers on the market. We got the low profile design BAKFlip MX4. Aluminum panels. It's flush with the bed. It's custom fit, no drilling required. We have an integrated tailgate lock seal, so there's no way to get in until you actually drop the tailgate. Quick latches, cables to pull down, and you access the bed just like that. There's a pads for the back window protection. Still reveals the brake light when this is open all the way. Prop rods on each side to secure the cover if you want to drive with it open. The BAKFlip MX4 is going to provide good security. No one can cut through the hard surface. Each panel locks by itself on the track. Truck Access Plus, we specialize in truck bed protection and other truck accessories. Visit our website, truckaccessplus.com. We have a store here in Phoenix, same day installation while you wait.